How to use American Express gift card online. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can use American Express gift card online. Now first thing, how you can redeem an American Express card online, right? Now all you have to do is you'll have to find a merchant that accepts American Express as its payment method, and there under credit card information you can enter in your information. Now for example, what are the merchants that accepts the American Express card, right? It is the Burger King, the Alex, that is, and then there are certain expresses like Amazon, IKEA, Sears, Target, Walmart, and such. All these websites accepts the American Express as its payment method. So what you can do is you can head over to their website. For example, I'll show you on amazon.com. So all you have to do is you'll have there, head there, go ahead and try to purchase an item, and on the logout page it'll ask you to enter your payment method. There you wanna tap on debit or credit card and fill in your card details and your name and address, click pay, and enjoy your purchase using your American Express prepaid gift card. So this way you can use American Express gift card online. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.